Welcome to Alex Skill. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of modern CNC lathes and the incredible turning techniques that shape our everyday tools and machinery. Get ready for an inspiring journey through precision engineering and cutting-edge technology. CNC lathes, short for computer numerical control lathes, are pivotal inventions in mechanical engineering. With their automation and high precision, CNC lathes are the backbone of modern manufacturing processes. CNC lathes operate based on pre-programmed instructions, minimizing errors and boosting productivity. This is crucial in industries that demand high accuracy, such as automotive, aerospace, and medical. CNC turning techniques are sophisticated processes involving multiple methods to create complex parts. Let's explore some common CNC turning techniques. Turning cylindrical surfaces involves machining the outer and inner surfaces of a workpiece. Facing creates flat or angled surfaces with utmost precision. Grooving and taper turning are more complex techniques requiring high skill and precision, resulting in unique and varied parts. CNC lathes offer numerous advantages. High precision, automation, and the ability to machine complex parts reduce errors and optimize production processes. Products made with CNC lathes consistently meet high standards, ensuring uniformity and precision, crucial for demanding industries. Products made with CNC lathes consistently meet high standards, ensuring uniformity and precision, crucial for demanding industries. Beyond current applications, CNC lathes are paving the way for future technologies, unlocking new possibilities in mechanical engineering. CNC lathes and turning techniques have revolutionized mechanical engineering, delivering high-quality products and exceptional production efficiency. Thank you for joining Alex Skill on this exploration. CNC lathes and turning techniques have revolutionized mechanical engineering, delivering high-quality products and exceptional production efficiency. Thank you for joining Alex Skill on this exploration.